Hello, everyone. This is Clarissa, your Club Pilates master trainer, as well as a Peak Pilates instructor, and a few other things that I don't really want to get into too much. But a couple of you guys have asked me either in the past or as of late, which is better for you? Is it the reformer or is it the mat as it relates to Pilates? And my answer is truly both. I think you can truly benefit from both, whether you're doing mat Pilates or reformer Pilates. It really just kind of depends. In my opinion, I think that they both can be beneficial, but if you had to choose one or the other, I personally would say mat. And here's why. Mat can be done almost anywhere, if not anywhere. A lot of the exercises that you do on the reformer can also be translated and done on the mat as well. Think the 100, think maybe your tricep press. You could even add some weights there. It goes so on and so on. Whereas the reformer, you actually need to be in a physical space where you have a reformer. Now, you do get the benefits of utilizing the springs, and you might even feel like you're getting some strength training in. But the reality is that you are getting more so resistance training, and it does not equate the same way it would for strength training. You know, when as it relates to strength training, you need a little bit more weight in your hands to really see the most beneficial results. So in my opinion, I think mat, even from an economical standpoint, gives you a little bit more bang for your buck because you can incorporate some weights in some of the moves. And I wouldn't recommend going more than 5 pounds if you're going to go that route, especially when you're laying down. If you're standing, that's a little bit different. You can go up a little bit on some of the weights. It does kind of change the essence of Pilates, as we know it per se, but I'll find that you'll be able to get a little bit more out of it. It's also pretty accessible to many, because if there's things that you can't do laying down on the mat, you can always do them standing. Whereas the reformer, usually it's one size fits most, and it can be a little difficult to get in some of those moves without an instructor, or just based off of the width and how the reformer is built. So in my opinion, I think I personally like mat just because of the accessibility of it, but reformer definitely has its place too. So feel free, comment which you prefer and why, and let me know if you want to know a little bit more about it. Talk to you guys soon.